If you've posted some Instagram stories and you're thinking, actually, I want that to stay on my profile permanently, this is exactly what we're doing today. I'm going to show you how to create an Instagram highlight directly from your profile page, nice and simply, no weird routes. I'm also going to cover what to do if it doesn't work properly, because Instagram does like to keep us all humble. Just so we're clear, a story lasts about 24 hours and disappears. A highlight saves those stories and pins them to your profile under your bio for as long as you want. They're really great for frequently asked questions, services, testimonials, events, or important info you don't want disappearing tomorrow. Think of highlights as your profile's little organised shelves. First up, you're going to want to open Instagram and head to your profile page. Under your bio, you're going to see a little circle with a plus sign that says new. That's your add highlight button. Tap that. Instagram will now show you your story archive. This is where your past stories live after they disappear. Select the story or stories you want to include in this highlight. You can choose one or several. Once selected, tap Next. Now you're going to be able to give your highlight a name and choose a cover image. There's an important bit here. If your story is a video, Instagram will usually default to the first frame as a cover. So your options are to either use the default first frame or upload a custom cover image from your camera roll. If you want your profile to look tidy and branded, uploading a simple custom cover image is probably the safest option here. Once you're happy, tap done, and that's it. Your highlight is now live on your profile. No expiry date, no drama. Now we're going to fix some of the common issues that I'm asked about. The main one is that no stories are showing in your archive. If you tap new and nothing appears, this is usually why. You're going to need to go to your profile, tap the three lines in the top right, go to settings and privacy and scroll to your app and media, tap archiving and downloading. Now you're going to want to make sure save story to archive is toggled on. If it wasn't on, then when you posted the story, Instagram won't have saved it, and unfortunately you can't turn that one into a highlight now. But once it's on, you are sorted for future stories. Another issue is that the highlight won't load or it looks blank. You can try closing and reopening the app for this one. Update Instagram to the latest version and make sure to check your internet connection, because sometimes it's genuinely just a temporary app glitch. Logging out and back in again can also fix it if it's being really stubborn. Now, the other issue I've been asked about is that the add highlight button is actually missing. You're going to need to make sure you're on your own profile. I've made this mistake a few times when working for multiple clients. I've realized I'm actually logged in as a different profile. You're going to need to also make sure that the app is fully updated as before and you haven't accidentally switched into another account. If it's still not there, restarting the app usually fixes this one. And that is how you create an Instagram highlight properly. If this has helped you out, please make sure to give the video a like and subscribe. It genuinely helps me out and makes sure I can keep making simple, no-nonsense tutorials like this one. If you haven't already, go and watch a video on how to post your story or reel properly first so that you've got something worth highlighting. Right, now go and organise your